Hello everybody, happy Friday, welcome back to another Come Dine with us. In case you're new to this, every week myself and my good friends and YouTube buddies, Kate Mccabe and Luke Catleugh, are taking it in turns to cook a starter, a main course or a dessert for a social distancing dinner party where you are the guests. And this week we've got the theme of holiday week, so we are all off on our holidays. We've been having the best weather here in the UK. The sun has been shining, so I hope wherever you're watching from in the world, the sun has been shining for you as well. And if you're watching this on Friday, today is VE Day, so we just wanted to take a moment to join in with the nation's toast to the heroes of World War II. To those who gave so much, we thank you. So for this week on Come Dine With Us, we're kicking things off here with me for your starter. I'm going to be doing a Greek-inspired feta bake with tomatoes. Super simple, but it should be really tasty. We're also going to do some naughty frozen cocktails, of course, to get us in the holiday spirit. And then we will be heading over to Kate's for our main course. Let's find out what she's been making.
Hello, I'm Kate and I'm going to be making pizzas this evening for our main course, and I'm going to be cooking them in the pizza oven, serving them with a side salad and probably a couple of glasses of wine.
And once you've had your main course with Kate, then you'll be heading over to Luke's for your dessert. Let's find out what's on the menu.
Hi guys, I'm Luke and this week I'm in charge of desserts. I'm going to be making a deliciously simple banoffee pie with a cheeky bit of rum, and also going to be making a pina colada as well, so lots of rum and banana and things.
Oh, I hope that includes some emergency bananas. Okay, so before we get into the video, if you're new here, do click subscribe. I post new videos every single week. And don't forget, as soon as you've watched this one, head over to Kate's for your main, then Luke's for your dessert. And it's the final as well. So once you've watched them all, there will be a vote in the description boxes where you can vote. You don't need to register or anything like that. You just click through to the link and vote for your winner. And if you've come over from Luke or Kate's channels, it is great to see you here. Happy holidays. Right, I suppose we better get cracking with the starter. So for the baked feta and tomatoes, you will need 8 to 10 cherry tomatoes. You're going to need a clove of garlic. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. You'll need a block of feta cheese, 10 Kalamata olives, a tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of dried oregano. I've gone for thyme because that's all I have in the cupboard, and some salt. So we'll start off by slicing 8 to 10 cherry tomatoes in half. I've gone for these really lovely colourful ones. And then just add a few pinches of salt. If I can get the lid off. Come on. Then we're going to mince a clove of garlic.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just gotta know some vibes. Striking the wind up.
I don't have a garlic crusher, so I'm just chopping it really finely, giving it a good squash with the knife. So then you want to place your feta into an oven-proof dish, top with the tomatoes and the garlic.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance.
Then we're going to chop a couple of tablespoons of fresh parsley.
You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
Adding the parsley. And then we're going to add 10 of the olives.
wanna drive through the summer night.
Drizzle over some olive oil. Just about a teaspoon. And then a teaspoon of your oregano, or in my case, the thyme. I'm going to pop these into a preheated oven set at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. And those will cook for around 18 minutes, but do keep checking on them. And then to serve it, I'm going to just bake some of these petty pans. You get 6 in a pack, and these are really easy. They just take 8 to 10 minutes, so I'll pop them in just towards the end of the cooking time. So while that is cooking, it is time for us to go on our holidays. So passports at the ready, we have got a flight to catch.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.
Hello sir, welcome. Can I take your passport? There we are. Have a lovely flight.
Thank you.
Oh sir, sorry, it's that way.
this way.
Beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh.
It's really full. I think Karen's got her kids up here.
The captain has turned on the seatbelt light. Take your seats and fasten your seatbelts.
It's where the leg room's getting shorter on these flights.
Would you like anything from the trolley, sir?
For me? Oh, yes please. Could I have a white wine and can I maybe have a gin and tonic as well, save you coming back? Whew, so here we are. Hope you had a good flight. Tell you what, that heat hits you when you get off the plane, doesn't it? Okay, what should we say? Should we dump our bags in the rooms and then should we meet back at the pool bar, say in about 15 minutes? Little cheeky cocktail? Excellent stuff. Right, I'll see you there. Okay, we've made it to the pool bar. Welcome to Bar Carrington, and yeah, let's have a little cocktail. I'm very pleased to tell you that it is happy hour, so it's 2 for 1. These are the options that you've got. We can have we can have a little cheeky berry daiquiri, or you can have a mojito, or as it's 2 for 1, you can have one of each. How about that? Got these from Lidl. I think they're 89p. Very easy. Just whack them out the freezer and we're good to go. And then you can empty them into a glass. Cheers everybody. Naughty mojito, straight from the pouch. What are you saying? Now we're on holiday. I suppose I better put it in a glass, it's a dinner party after all. Little squeeze of lime. Don't forget your garnish. Cheers. I feel like I'm on holiday now. Let me know in the comments down below what your dream holiday destination would be. Where would you love to go to that you've never been to before? Or what is your favourite holiday that you always love going back to? So now we've had our little cheeky 2 for 1 cocktail at the pool bar, I think it's time for us to head over and have a little bit of dinner. I'm getting a little bit peckish, I don't know about you. So let's go and have our starters. And here is our baked feta after 15 minutes. Okay, so here we are. Welcome to our holiday meal. Starters are on the way. Oh, hang on a second. Sorry, excuse me.
Hello.
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 Hello, Uncle Carrington.
Are you abroad?
I am.
I forgot you were on your holidays.
I'm just sitting down for dinner, actually.
I hope you're making most of the all-inclusive.
Of course, Uncle Carrington.
Good lad. Well, I won't keep you, Mike. It'll be astronomical.
All right. All right, bye, Carrington. Sorry about that. It's Uncle Carrington, seeing what I'm up to. Okay, so here we are. We have our baked feta with tomatoes. So let's dig in. So I'm going to cut off a piece. It said in the recipe that this serves 4, so you can just go for as much as you like, I guess. Just help yourself. And I'll go for a little piece of the baguette that's cooked from the oven. And I'm just going to do it like, I don't know, just go on with the bread, I guess, like a pate. Oh, yum. This does feel like a holiday kind of starter with the olives in it. Definitely reminds me of the sunshine, that's for sure. So this is a Greek-inspired recipe. I'll link the blog post down below where I found it online if you want to check it out. That is really tasty. I'm not just saying that. This is my kind of food. It's really simple. I think it's relatively healthy. I mean, I know you've got the bread going on. You could swap the bread for some crackers if you wanted to. And yes, such an easy one. This literally took like 5 minutes to prepare and then about 15 to 18 minutes in the oven. So if you're like me with your cooking, you like to keep things simple, and this might be a nice one for you to try out over the spring and summer months. I'm really pleased with that. It's one of those starters, with it just being in the pan there, that you could just keep going at it and you wouldn't know how much you've eaten, which basically is the holiday mood, isn't it? Just keep eating. So yeah, cheers everybody, happy holidays. Excuse the slurping. This reminds me a bit like a slush puppy as well. They're another holiday classic. Now we've had our starter, it's time to head over to Kate Mccabe's to see what she's got in store for us for our main course before heading over to Luke's for dessert. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed your starters with me and coming on holiday. Hope that's put you in the holiday mood for the weekend ahead. Hopefully you'll have some fab weather wherever you're watching from as well. And don't forget, this week is the final, so I will leave the link down below for you to vote for your winner of the second season of Come Dine With Us. But if you've been watching all of them, then I really hope you've enjoyed them, and thank you so much for joining us on these. As always, it's always so much fun. Head over to Kate's channel now for your main. I'll link that in the description box down below. And then once you've had that, head over to Luke's for your dessert. And then don't forget to vote for your winner of Come Dine With Us. So I hope you have a fab weekend, whatever you're up to. Enjoy yourselves, enjoy the sunshine if it is shining where you are. Have a lovely evening. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.